Neon on neon on neon. Oh my gosh, and look at how it glows under the LED light. Hey guys, so in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to do these super dope lime green ombre flame nails. I did my own nails, and this is the first time I've actually filmed doing my own nails. So a couple of clips are a little out of frame, but you guys get the idea. I'm gonna explain everything. I use a couple different methods, regular color, gel color, and I talk about the pros and cons. So let me know how you like the video. Subscribe to Live Lux Lisa for more. Sorry guys, I'm a little out of frame. I didn't plan on doing this, but I am doing my own nails. I am ombreing 3 colors right now, a neon yellow, an orange, and a hot pink. For my ombre, I used regular color. I just blend best that way. I paint the colors side by side, slightly overlapping, just so that it blends better and already creates an ombre on the sponge, allowing me to create a nice ombre on my nails. I start to roll and pat the sponge onto the nail, creating the ombre effect. I will do it several times in several different layers until I feel like the blend is perfect. As the sponge dries out and your ombre isn't blended, just repeat the steps. Ombre the colors on the sponge and then your nails. Now to create the flames. I bought these on Etsy. I peel one off and position it towards the tip of my nails and then press really firm. So as I said before, I didn't plan on recording, but I decided to last minute. So I used a few different methods. Here I'm gonna paint it through with a regular polish lime green, making sure I get in all the crevices of the stencil. After a really good coat of the lime green, I'm going to peel the stencil back and you'll see, oh my gosh, so pretty. So there's definitely a downfall for using regular polish because it's not dry right away. So I had to be super careful as I do this next nail, but I really did love how sharp the flames came out with the regular polish. And with the regular polish, you have to pull the stencil while it's still wet. The next 2 nails, I will add the stencil to the ring finger and the pinky, and this time I'm going to use a gel version of the lime green and paint it over. Because I'm using gel for these 2, I won't have to worry about the polish drying and having to pull the stencil because gel is wet until you put it under the dryer. So there is a downfall to the gel. We couldn't do 2 coats, so it didn't give me the full coverage like the regular polish did, but it still looks really nice. And the best thing is it's completely dry when it comes out of the dryer. Once again, kind of out of frame, but I wanted to show you guys how I traced the flames in black gel just so it really pops. After I traced all the flames, I added a matte top coat, and look at how super dope they came out. I just love, love, love how they look under the LED light.